we got this situation. The number of ordered pair r comma k. So look at this. You can observe that the variable is 2, r and k, for which this equation where k is an integer, okay, k is an integer, r is an whole number, yes, okay. So they have given you two variables, but they have given you only one equation. So you know that in this type of question we have to apply hit and trial thing, okay. So let's go for it. So the solution will go this way: 6 times 35 factorial by r factorial 35 minus r factorial, okay, k square minus 3 36 factorial by r plus 1 factorial, and then 36 minus r minus 1 factorial. Now let's do the simplification part. You know it is 35 factorial, it is 36 factorial. So we will be left with the number 36. You know this is r factorial and this is r plus 1 factorial. So r factorial is the smaller one, so it will get neutralized. We will be left with r plus 1. Now look at this part. This is 35 minus r factorial. This is also 35 minus r factorial. This thing will also be neutralized. Okay. Here we are left with 6 and there we are left with 36. So you can neutralize this as well. Okay. Now can I write this thing as r plus 1 this side and then k square minus 3, okay. So it is k square minus 3 into 6. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay. Now look at this. Can I write this thing as k square is equal to r plus 1 by 6 plus 3. Okay. Now look at the idea how we will approach. You know that r is a whole number, okay. So r is a whole number and r will start from 0 and it will go till 35, है ना. Now try to find out this value. You know that k is a integer, so k square will also be an integer. So when k square will become integer, if r plus 1 is divisible by 6, है ना. So when r plus 1 is divisible by 6, when it is 0, 6, 12, 18, है ना, 24, 30, 36 you cannot go, है ना. Now look at this, r plus 1. Do you think, suppose that r plus 1 is 0, so do you think in that case r will become what? Minus 1. So you cannot take this number, reject. Suppose that r plus 1 is 6, so r plus 1 is 6, so r will become 5. This means it is divisible by 6, so it is 1. 1 plus 3 will become 4 and 4 is a perfect square number, correct. So can I write k square as 4? Means this is selected, okay. Now if r plus 1 is 12, so 6 2s are 12, 2 plus 3 5, 5 is not a perfect square number, so reject this one, okay. Now if I'll take r plus 1 as 18, so 18 divided by 6 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 is not a perfect square number, so it is also rejected. 24, so 24 divided by 6, 4, 4, 3, 7. 7 is not a perfect square number, rejected. 30, 30 by 6, 5, 5 and 3, 8, again rejected. Okay, and can I take r plus 1 as 36? 36 is also possible, na? R can go to 35, but r plus 1 can reach 36, no? So 36 by 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, 9 is a perfect square number. So this is also selected. Okay, now we have to tell the combination of r comma k. So can I write, if r plus 1 is 6, so r will become what? 5, 5 comma 2 and 5 comma minus 2, because k is an integer, so this is allowed. Okay, now the point is r plus 1 is 36, so r will become 35. So if r is 35, can I go with k as 3 and 35 comma minus 3? Okay, so we got how many number of ordered pair? 4. So the required number is 4. I hope the idea is clear. Okay.